Hello and welcome to Discovering Haven Well. Today we will be discussing the top 5 ways to break bad habits for a better you. Breaking a bad habit can be difficult, but it is possible with the right strategies. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Identify your triggers. The first step in breaking a bad habit is identifying the triggers that lead you to engage in the behavior. This could be stress, boredom, or even a certain time of day. Once you've identified your triggers, you can develop a plan to avoid or manage them. Replace the bad habit with a good one. Breaking a bad habit can leave a void in your routine. To avoid falling back into the habit, replace it with a good one. For example, if you're trying to quit smoking, replace it with a healthy habit like going for a walk or drinking water. Set achievable goals. Setting achievable goals can help you stay motivated and focused on breaking your bad habit. Start small and work your way up. This will help you see progress and keep you motivated to continue. Surround yourself with support. Breaking a bad habit can be difficult, but it's easier when you have a support system. Surround yourself with people who will encourage and motivate you to stick with your goal. Be patient and forgiving. Breaking a bad habit is a process and it takes time. Don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up. Instead, acknowledge your mistake and move forward. Remember, every day is a new opportunity to start fresh.
And there you have it, our top 5 ways to break bad habits for a better you. Remember, breaking a bad habit takes time and effort, but with the right strategies and mindset, it is possible. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and advice.